guys, I'm finally back. Sorry that I took so long, but got something very nice that you guys might like for you origami people. Dark Paper Strikes Back. Definitely buy the first book. It's Strange Case of Origami Yoda, and from one piece of paper, you also make Darth Paper. Origami Yoda. This is just my very first time making this, and then Emergency Yoda. This is a 5-fold one, and finally a lightsaber that you could create from one piece of paper. So to make the lightsaber, basically you'll get a fourth, and I'll just show you. So piece of paper, fold in half. Always use fourths for this because it's going to be a finger puppet and not a freaking hand puppet. I learned that mistake. I once tried to sorry about that loud noise. I once tried to make it like a napkin. Didn't go so well. I'll tell you that much. Did not go so well. Okay, so just make these folds very, very vivid because you're going to be making cut folds where where it's easier to bend. So basically you don't have to do this part, you can just get scissors, but I like this better. So that neater it looks like for those people that aren't very good with scissors and always cut a line like me. That's why I use this. So all I do is cut it in half like that, and then again. Now first let's make Yoda, because who doesn't like Yoda? If you don't, then why are you even watching this? Okay. Oh yeah, and to read the book you kinda have to know like the main characters from Star Wars because they have references. So about an inch from the top, just one fold. Now I'm gonna make a mountain fold or index fold, whatever you want to call it. So making the ears. So basically what you do is take the top, fold it down. Take the other one, fold it down, you can fold it back, you don't have to. Open it, squash it in, and then fold. So you had this, you open it, squash, and then you get a nice pointy angle, and you just do that for the other side too. Maybe trying to make this go a little faster. Okay, so now you got this. Okay, turn it over. So instead of this side, you got this side, and again fold an inch up, about an inch, doesn't have to be, up on the bottom, not the top, on the bottom, and then fold down a little. This is like the hardest part of the whole thing, if I must say. And so when you're unfolding it, so yeah, you had this, and you just want to fold it again down. And if you look to the side, it looks like a zigzag. Okay? Sorry if I'm holding it a little too high up out. You know what I'm doing right now? Okay, so now you take this side, and you just want to fold it almost to the top of Yoda's head. Almost. Right here is good. And fold it down. Like so. So, you had it like this. Fold all the way up and down. Down. So, it looks like he has hands now. Right? Correct? Now you turn it over and you pretend that you're making a paper airplane, but don't make it too pointy, or it might not look like Yoda or look like someone with a pinhead. Okay, so you just do that, and this will also be creating feet. Yes, feet. For Yoda. Okay, so now you'll get this triangular shape. on the back you'll see these flaps right there. Might want to just stick that out. Okay. Oh wait, no, okay, wait, yeah, I suck at this part. Trust me, it's the hardest part, so. Bam down. Bam down, and just fold out the ears. You could use tape. And now you got Origami Yoda. You could tape that back. Okay, now the other one. Baby, and so him, he's tall, so you start off like so. And you just fold him that way. Fold him that way. So start out like this. This is the easier one. It's also how you make you start off like this. You just want to fold it to make an ear type shape, but not too far out, and do the same for the other one. And fold it down about almost all the way down. So you get this. Round off the head by just folding you in. Okay, now you got that. Now you're done. But you could take the bottom of it and just fold it up if you want to, and then you'll have the mask thing. Okay? So now you got those two. Now for Emergency Yoda, you fold it short ways. Fold. This will take some practice, so don't give up. And instead of making the ears short, you make them a little bit bigger. So you get that. That's Emergency Yoda. Sorry that this here is a little small, but that's Emergency Yoda. And finally, for the lightsabers, I just fold this first before I show you what to do. Okay, so start off with a piece of paper like this, fold it in, and you want to cut this. Okay, and now you could just take a side, rip it, and you can make a lightsaber like that. See? Lightsaber. And that's how you make the Origami Yoda set. Thank you.